You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Oh, that's a curious word, quite confusing, but I love pronouncing it. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You can learn so much, stay tuned. Capricious is how it is pronounced, so ka, it's a schwa sound, so it's generally not ka. I mean, you could say capricious, but generally in English it's capricious, alright? There's no C sound, no S sound, it's a sh sound, like SH. So, stress on that second syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Capricious, it's easy once you know capricious, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.